Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this lesson, we have this question on motion. The question says the distance s meters of a particle moving at any time t seconds, any time t is given by this equation. Wants us to find the time t. Now, if s is given as t minus t raised to power 3 over 3 plus 9, then this motion definitely has velocity and acceleration. Now the velocity of this motion will come from the s dt, the differential of s with respect to t. Now if I differentiate 3t, I'll have 3. Remember that when differentiating, if y is equals to e x raised to power n, then my dy dx will be the same thing as a nx raised to power n minus 1. Applying this formula, if I differentiate 3t, I'll come to 3. And here I have t raised to power 3 over 3. Now, if I differentiate t raised to power 3, it becomes 3t raised to power 3 minus 1. That's 2 over 3 plus 9. If I differentiate 9, I'll come to 0. Why? Because 9 is a constant. So this is plus 0. So that's the s dt finally is the same thing as here 3 cancels 3. That's 3 minus t squared. Now at the point the motion comes to a rest, definitely the s dt will be equals to 0, which also implies that 3 minus t squared will be equals to 0. So that at that time, which is the total time of the journey, my t squared will be the same thing as minus 3. Cancels minus, so that t now will be the same thing as the square root of 3. Now, if t is the square root of 3, now the question wants us to find the distance covered. The distance covered will come from s is equals to 3t minus t raised to power 3 over 3 plus 9. So that s now will be the same thing as 3 root t. I've just simply substituted for t minus root 3 all raised to power 3 over 3 plus 9. S obviously is equals to 3 root 3 minus root 3 raised to power 3. That's saying root 3 times root 3 times root 3. Don't get confused. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Now times root 3, that's 3 root 3. So I'll have 3 root 3 over 3 plus 9. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 1. So my s now will be left with 3 root 3 minus root 3 plus 9. Let's create space. So that 3 root 3 minus root 3, that's the same thing as 2 root 3. S obviously is equals to 2 root 3 plus 9. 2 root 3 plus 9. Now I can decide to leave my answer in such form, but your examiner might want you to expand it further. 3 is the same thing as 1.732. That's 2 into 1.732 plus 9. That's equals to 2 times 1.732. I just decided not to use my calculator. I do this sometimes. This is 4, 6, 4, and 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. That's 3.4 plus 9. That's 11, 12. 12 points. That's 12.464 meters, which I can approximate to 12.5 meters. That's 12.5 meters. Now, with this, I hope you understood how I went about solving for both distance and time. Thank you for staying with us and see you in the next class.